In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive quickly and safely so you can clean up your storage, stay organized, and remove the extra copies you don't need. If you've ever uploaded the same document, photo, or file more than once, this process can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in to the account where your files are stored. Once you're on the main OneDrive page, go to My Files. This is where all of your saved folders and files are listed, and it's the best place to start when you want to locate duplicates. Now, use the search bar at the top to search for the file name, folder name, or keyword that you think may have duplicates. If you remember part of the file name, that can help narrow things down much faster. You may see multiple files with the same name or very similar names, which is usually a good sign that duplicates exist. When you find a file that looks like a duplicate, click to select it. Then look for the three-dot menu, also known as More Actions. Click that menu and then choose Open File Location. This is an important step because it shows you the exact folder where that file is stored, so you can confirm whether it really is a duplicate before deleting anything. Once the file location opens, select the file again in its actual folder. Make sure you're choosing the correct copy, especially if you have similar files in different folders. After confirming it's the duplicate you want to remove, click Delete at the top. That sends the file to the recycle bin instead of permanently removing it right away, which gives you a chance to review everything before it's gone forever. Repeat that same process for any other duplicate files you find. Search, open the file location, confirm the correct version, and delete only the extra copy you don't need. If you're cleaning up a large OneDrive account, take your time here so you don't accidentally remove the main version of an important file. After you've deleted all the duplicate files you want to remove, go over to the left sidebar and open Recycle Bin. This is where OneDrive stores deleted files before they are permanently erased. Review the deleted items carefully and make sure everything in there is safe to remove. If you spot something important, you can restore it before continuing it. Once you're confident the deleted files are only the duplicates you want gone, click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove them from OneDrive. This final step helps free up storage space and keeps your account clean and organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive using the search bar, file location, and recycle bin. This is a simple but very effective way to keep your cloud storage tidy and avoid wasting space on unnecessary copies. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.